Sip water like a fish, sip box water to the gillies, yeah. It's a new wave, just a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, know the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. It's never late. Do it for my kids, gotta set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solo, we need EV in the game now. Making changes so changes cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the floor, sweep the
Alright guys, we are standing in front of this very special toy right here. This is the Alpha 16 Nissan GTR. If you guys don't know what that is, this makes 1500 all-wheel horsepower, and it does it on E85 fuel. So if you get E85, you always have 1500 wheel horsepower. I took it around for a spin right now. Never drove a 1500 horsepower GTR. I've driven maybe 1000 horsepower. This thing's a monster. We really can't even, use its full potential because the streets, obviously, we don't want to go crazy. So I never even got into like third gear. First gear, second gear only. Obviously, it's got turbo lag. It's got bigger turbos, so you got to get used to the turbo lag. Brake gas, it launches pretty good, but again, I just can't get that full potential out of it. But it does drive good. Coming from my background, where straight 6-cylinder BMW with the 76mm turbo car, didn't even drive this good, to be honest. But it was a beast. So yeah, we were comparing it to the SF90 because the owner actually has the SF90, and honestly, the SF90 is effortless power. Literally, if you're racing this thing, the SF90, it's like 95% of the time you're beating it because just no error. This thing, traction, this, that. You gotta have this on, that on, all kinds of stuff, variables, and I just think it's really a great drag car. But yeah, our buddy Mo bought it, sight unseen. He is coming by to pick it up, first time seeing it, driving it. I don't know what he knows to expect over it. It's gonna be his highest horsepower car that he's ever driven. But like I said, the SF90 just feels faster. Alpha 16 Nissan GTR on our channel, why not? Okay, that's exhaust. Bro, it's a GTR with exhaust and wheels. It has an intake and exhaust.
It's just colorful.
What? It's 6 cylinders, bro. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What? Why are you scared?
He's not stuck.
They'll beat you on reverse, bro.
Okay, reverse, I will raise $10,000.
I don't get it. Why are you scared, bro?
First glimpse.
I have your beautiful face.
About this?
It crushed my dreams. I'm like, oh, I got 1600 horsepower. Now he's like, you got a V6, dude. I didn't know they made a V8. Can you make a body kit for this? Because I'm having the hardest time getting one. I've always wanted a GTR.
I don't like GTRs.
I don't know why. I really wanted one.
I think the first time you step on the gas, you'll probably figure it out.
Not even loud.
White Rolls Royce Ghost behind me. Brand new car. This owner actually owns quite a few dealerships for other brands of cars. Came to us because he wanted to spice up this beautiful Ghost. As you can see, RDB Masterpiece classic wheels, 24-inch monoblock wheels, factory center cab as usual. These are beautiful, classy looking wheels. That's the point of this wheel, to look classy and big and not over the top. And look at this thing in white with the silver brushed wheel. Still very, very classy. It's also lower. This is in low mode again. When you drive, it does go up a little bit, retains that. But I'm going to show you also the interior of this car. The interior of this car is all white. Beautiful interior. It also has a few colored accents, which is really, really nice. I mean, check out this interior. Gorgeous car. It actually has black and white everywhere, as you can see. It even has purple pockets inside the doors. So very, very subtle purple. I don't know. I think that's the only purple I see in the car is in these pockets. So obviously he designed this car for himself. He wanted to have that feature. Other than that, it's pure white. Looks amazing. Brand new car. And now it has RDB Wheels Masterpiece Classics.
like it.
Hey man, we need to take this. We need to make this a RDB cigar private members lounge. Imagine how sick will that be?
Bro, we'll never go home.
That'll be really sick. Imagine next
go
to our
home.
shop is like a lounge.
We won't go home. And we'll wake up in the morning, come to work.
A little
in a
podcast
room.
room.
But the cars won't fit there. We want cars in the back.
No.
Why, bro?
Cigar
We're the
shop,
only
that's-
podcast.
Cigar shop,
We're the
cigar
only
shop.
podcast with millions of dollars of cars around them. We have studios, they have all these other things. We have real cars.
Is it for sale? Yes, it is.
Part of the motel. When we first got it, they were here for 1 month. They were very.
Welcome to LA.
It was during COVID when we got this place, so they were like barely opening back up because of COVID, and they were super excited that all of our staff, we promised them we're gonna eat lunch from there, all this stuff. Literally, we moved in and they like moved out.
We actually
And
got
don't
the
know why.
first week we moved in, we got food from them. It was really good.
Did
Really?
actually- when
Yeah,
we
we
were doing
got-
construction, we were getting food.
I think we got like chicken and stuff.
And
It was really
bomb,
good.
yeah. It's like a diner inside, really dope. But ever since we've been here now, it's closed.
No.
And we asked the landlord if we could take over, and actually we thought of doing like a restaurant first. But now I want to do it like a cigar lounge. But he still doesn't want to lease it. I don't know what his plans are. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan STO. This is a wild car. You've seen us do this on the channel before. We had a matte white one, it was a beautiful car. This one is that blue and orange and white mixture. I don't even know what to call it, what they call it, but it's honestly crazy. This was kind of like the launch colorway, I think. So a lot of the advertisements you saw the STO was in this colorway. It's a really, really dope blue color, honestly. And it's a metallic orange with white pinstriping. I think the pinstriping with the STO and all the white comes off stickers, but the blue and the orange is paint, so you can't take that off. As usual, STO fashion, carbon fiber everywhere. The hood opens forward, completely one piece with the fenders. Obviously, this is like the race car of a Huracan, like a mini SVJ. But we lowered this car, Novitec Springs. As you can see, it is pretty damn low. Drives really good. It is a pretty stiff car, so a little bit stiffer now. Also, check out those wheels. This car came to us from the dealer like this, and the wheels are really, really crazy. It's actually a Dymag carbon fiber barrel with a forged carbon lip, which is what you saw on that Performante twin turbo car we did the other day, which was crazy to see on a channel having two different ones. And then you see the middle has carbon fiber. That's overlay. That's not a real carbon fiber face. That's still aluminum. Nobody has done an actual carbon fiber face because that would probably make it way too weak. But the barrel and the outer lip, that's all one piece carbon fiber. So really, really cool looking right there. This Huracan doesn't have any forged carbon like the Performante does. So the theme there might be a little bit hard to chew, but honestly it looks very, very different in their wheels, so why not? But yeah, the lowering was much necessary, especially when you're doing aftermarket wheels. Whenever you don't lower and there's a big gap, it looks funky, so gotta do that. But yeah, let us know your thoughts on this colorway. I mean, the blue, orange, white, pretty cool. And then the mixture of carbon fiber on these wheels, I mean, it sets it over the top. So let us know your thoughts. Yeah, look at this 3D printed key right here. This is the STO key, which actually normally where you pull the hood lever, you have this little key with a strap. That's what you get out. And then you place it right over here and you unlock it. That's pretty cool. I mean, what car do you get little cool gadgets like this? That always freaks me out when you open the hood and it goes all the way down and doesn't touch the floor. But I mean, that's crazy for a Lamborghini. That's pretty intense. And then the engine cover actually, which I'm not gonna remove because I need two people, you literally lift that off completely, one piece comes off, and then you have access to your engine there too. But the problem with this car is you have zero storage. I mean, look at this thing. These are air intake systems, and I mean, in the middle you have a little square box. Even on the interior, you don't have a glove box, you don't have any pockets. You can't put anything anywhere. So that makes it a little tough to drive all the time. But again, this is not meant to be an everyday driving car. So really cool if you want like a mini Lamborghini race car. I mean, this thing is unbeatable.